Hey everyone, welcome to Tutorial Lore. Today I'm going to teach you how to add products to your Shopify store the right way. Make sure you watch the entire video so you don't miss any steps. Hope you enjoy this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Tutorial Lore. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Shopify app. First, download the Shopify application from the Play Store and open it. Step 2. Navigate to the Products section. Once inside the app, look at the bottom menu and tap on the third option, which is Products. Step 3. Add a new product. At the top right corner, you'll see a plus icon. Tap on it, then select Add Product. Step 4. Enter product details. Product name. Enter the name of your product. Product image. Upload an image of the item you're selling, e.g., a white t-shirt. Description. Tap on the description box and write a detailed product description. Make sure it clearly explains what you're selling. Category. Click on the category option and select the appropriate category for your product. Variants. If your product has different sizes, colors, or styles, add them under Variants. Step 5. Fill in additional details. Fill in important details like age group, neckline, length type, and other specifications. Add tags to help customers find your product easily. Final step. Save your product. Once you've entered all the details correctly, tap Save to add the product to your Shopify store. That's it. This is the right way to add products to Shopify. If you still have any questions, feel free to comment below. I'll reply or even make a video on your topic. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment. It really motivates us to create more tutorials for you. Thank you for watching.